Hazrat Abul Minhal reports that he along with his father went to Hazrat Abu Barza Aslami radiyallahu anhu. His father said, "Tell us how Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam used to perform obligatory prayer." He thereupon said, "He sallallahu alaihi wasallam performed the prayer you called the first one when the sun was past the meridian, and performed the Asr prayer at a time that if a person would go to the outskirts of Medina Munawwara and then return to his family, he would find the sun still bright." And I had forgotten what he said about the Maghrib prayer. And he liked delaying the Isha prayer. He said he disliked to sleep before it and hold a talk after it. And he completed the morning prayer at a time when every among us could recognize his companion, and he sallallahu alaihi wasallam would recite from 60 to 100 verses in it. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 599.